In this video tutorial, um, we'll see the feature of a calendar module or calendar app, which is available in odoo 14. Also, this is available in odoo 13 to even in 10. So what is calendar? Calendar is uh, in simply you can say, um, if you make some schedule or meetings, you have to create here a calendar and invite the users, or like here is everybody's in calendar. Over here you can choose a specific company and type some note or reminder here. Say I'm creating here meeting, let's say I create this meeting, and here is a time, means from the time is from 12 to, say it's a 3. When this time is came, it's an 12 date. Sorry, so if I go to by day here, already here auto create previous one calendar or one this tag. So again I'm going back to week, and in this week I can also choose from 12 to 13. Yeah, here is the next weaker schedule is coming, so the responsibles is here and the attendance are here. So it's a very simple and good feature, but we'll discuss this in CRM. It's more better to discuss and check in details in our CRM. So it's a very good feature, good app in odoo 14. So that's for this tutorial. Next tutorial we'll see about contacts.